Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to receive money from Western Union. Whether you're getting funds from a friend, family member, or business, it's important to know the exact steps so you don't run into any confusion or delays. I'll walk you through everything from checking the transfer status, finding a nearby agent location, to what identification you need to bring with you. I'll also share some helpful tips to make sure the process goes smoothly and that you get your money safely and quickly. Even if you've never used Western Union before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to receive your money without any stress. So stay tuned and let's dive right into it. First, we want to open our Western Union dashboard. This is where all your transfers are managed, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, click on the option that says Receive Money. This will take you to a screen where you can choose how you want to get your funds. Western Union gives you several options. You can receive cash, go to a nearby agent, deposit the money directly into your bank account, or even get it sent to a mobile wallet if that's available in your country. If you're not sure where to go, you can also click the Find a Location option. A new screen will open with a map showing all available agents, banks, or cash pickup points near you. You can zoom in to see which location is closest, click on one to get detailed directions, and even check its opening hours or availability so you know the best time to go. Once you've chosen a location, make a note of it and head there with your transaction details like the money transfer control number, MTCN, and a valid ID so you can pick up your money quickly and safely. And that's it! Now you know how to receive money from Western Union quickly and safely, whether it's cash, an agent pickup, or a bank or mobile wallet deposit. Just remember to have your transaction details ready and check the agent's location and hours so everything goes smoothly. I hope these steps make it easier for you next time you receive money. Don't forget to share this with anyone who might need it, and keep these tips in mind to make the process stress-free. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.